Alright guys, Omega RC back at it. Today we're out here for just a quick session because the weather is so good. It's a Wednesday, it's the morning. I got my day off today, so what else to do, you know? Get out, release some stress, man. Very stressful lately. Too much work, all that stuff, whatever. But today we're gonna release all that, just have a fun bash. And also one thing I want to say is I want to thank my girlfriend big time for coming through with this new DX5 rugged for me, because I was having problems with my GT5, and she got me, you know, something I really wanted. You know, like, I don't really know about the performance or anything compared to the Noble, but like, I tried it yesterday, quick run. I think it's better than my Noble, to be honest. The reaction time seems much faster. I love the look of it. I pretty much got it for the looks, you know, because I'm not a racer or anything. I'm just here to bash, and it looks cool, and it's just my style. And I think it's so pretty, guys. Like, it's the prettiest receiver or transmitter I've ever seen. So shout out to my girlfriend, best wifey, best everything. Sometimes, no, I'm just playing. But yeah, I love you. Thank you so much for this. I am so excited to test this out. Today we got it hooked up to the Xmaxx. I don't know if it's gonna stay that way, but we're gonna try it out with the Xmaxx, and let's go have some fun, guys. Oh, there's good. Look at that. It's got signal. Nice. Nice. Things nice and solid. Absolute beast. Look at that. Ooh, that was in the concrete. No trigger on that one. This one's coming at me. Oh, I almost lost that one. I wasn't even on the trigger on that one. I wasn't controlling that, guys. This thing flips by itself and lands by itself. It's like a spider, a cat actually. Coming in hot. Yep. On the side. We good? Are we good? Sound good. Oh no, we're good. We're not good. Yep. Probably in. Comes out. Maybe we just popped the dog bone. Oh, we just popped the pillow ball. Okay, that's good. Good that we have play in there. Otherwise we would have probably broken something. Yeah, I didn't switch this one on purpose. I saw it popping every once in a while on bad landings, but it was saving it from breaking anything. That's what I felt. So I haven't been changing it. Oh, sorry. MT410, very little breakages. I got the screws that pulled through the battery mount. I got a broken battery mount. That's it. Yeah, these actually often break, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. I'm gonna have to fix the oil in the back. Motor wires keep coming unplugged, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. Yeah, guys, let's move on. God. With ease right now, and I'm barely flipping. Flip. All of a sudden though, here. There we go. Alright guys, ran out of battery on the GoPro. That's the first time in a while that I ran out of battery on a GoPro, guys. That's how quick I've been breaking stuff in like this freaking winter, guys. But yeah, definitely warm weather today makes for much better bashing. I'm getting a few doubles for you guys with the Xmaxx, or else I'm gonna try, and then I'm gonna be out of here. There we go, that's a double. Guys, look at the lipo flew out. The fan lipo flew out, guys. Look at that. It's still fine. See if everything's good inside. The body's not on correctly. Guys, again, this DXF has changed the game. This is different. Like, I am getting very tip-top control quality. Hence, I'm not breaking. It's also the weather, but I'm also not making mistakes with the Xmaxx due to lack of quick control. So this DXF is the answer for me. Out of power. Oh yeah. It's the last jump. It's the final countdown. There we go. That's it, guys. The Xmaxx for you. I'm gonna end up the video right there. Again, shout out to my girlfriend. Thank you so much. This controller has changed the game for me. The weather also, but the control that this puts down, the reaction time, the reaction speed, and everything, bar none. Bar none. Very good basher radio. I was hesitant to get this at the beginning. I thought it looked cool. I really like the look of this stuff, you know, just rugged army stuff. This is my favorite type of design customs. I thought it wasn't gonna be good, but I feel like it's better than my Noble, and my Noble is pretty freaking good. So guys, I highly recommend this basher radio. I think it's very good. It's more expensive than the Noble, but I think there's a reason why it's more expensive than the Noble. I freaking love this radio, guys. Awesome radio. Shout out to my girlfriend. Thank you so much for this. This has changed the game for me. Best radio ever. Thank you for watching, guys. Got the Xmaxx today. We got the MT410 today. Relieved a lot of stress today. No breakages. Well, we got a battery tray breakage on the MT410, but that's it. So much fun. Xmaxx is fine. It's working like a charm. Sorry guys. Thank you for watching. Omega RC out.